Hey guys, I welcome you all to my YouTube channel Gardening Paradise and hope you all would be doing great. So today I'm putting the spotlight on a gardening heaven. If you are in search of top quality plant seeds and fantastic shopping experience, look no further than giving a try purchasing seeds and flower bulbs from Mr. Abhinn Kumar. Before going further, a small request to subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon to get the notification about my new videos. Abhinn Kumar's shop is a gardener's paradise. You can get delivery right at your doorstep, no matter where you are in India. He offers an incredible selection of plant seeds for every gardener's dream. From vibrant flowers to organic vegetable and herbs, he has got it all. The amazing thing is that he provides all these items at very nominal rates. The starting price of seed packs is just rupees 10. Hard to believe, isn't it? So plus they often provide valuable information about each seed's ideal growing condition, which is essential even for seasoned gardeners. At present, they are also offering a free gift, which is a seed pack with every order of more than rupees 100. And the customer service is top notch. You can trust that your precious seeds will arrive in perfect condition, ready to be sown. However, there is one drawback. They still don't have cash on delivery option available, so you have to pay upfront. But they don't have a minimum order criteria, so you can even purchase a single seed pack worth rupees 10 only. So these are the few flowers and vegetable seeds I order. To place an order, simply contact him via WhatsApp and he will share the list of the available seeds along with their price and the complete purchasing process. You can then place your order accordingly to your preferences. So if you are on the hunt for the finest plant seeds and supportive gardening community, look no further than Abhinn. I hope you must have enjoyed this video. Please hit the like button, share this video to as many people as you can with. Do write your comments if you have any. Thanks for watching. Happy gardening.